On July 23, 2026, on an interstate highway in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, police pulled over former NFL star Tony Romo. But as officers spoke with him, they quickly discovered he was driving under the influence.
Were you speaking on the speaker back there?
I was.
I didn't even know you guys said that, so sorry.
All right. Reason for my
Somebody
stop
pulled
today.
to the right?
Yep.
That was what you said.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Reason for my stop today is the unsafe passing on the right, the lane
Say
deviation.
it louder, I'm sorry.
Unsafe passing on the right, cutting across the gore. Obviously, the gore.
Yes.
It's the marked area.
Gotcha.
Where are you coming from?
Well, I live in Dallas, so I came in to visit Grandma and Grandpa, so we're here. I'm going to meet them, but I got the gore.
You got the what?
The gore, you said?
Yeah.
That's what it is when you cross it?
Yep.
Yes. I got
Okay.
what you're saying. You said
And
I
you were
crossed
coming
it.
from Grandma and Grandpa? What did you say? It's really hard to hear you, dude.
I can't hear you either. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
I know. We gotta basically yell at each other,
I
right?
feel like I'm yelling at you.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Where are you coming from?
The golf course. And I'm going to meet Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll take a driver's license from you.
You got it. What's your name?
Deputy Court.
So I want to meet Grandma and Grandpa, and I passed the gore, which is the place you're talking about that we traveled over. I got it. You're saying I went over the white line.
What's a good phone number for you?
This is my dad's.
All right. What's your dad? The same last name?
Mirror Romo, yeah. So I got the same middle name and last name.
Okay. All right. Hang tight for me. All right. How many drinks have you had?
Zero.
You're coming from a golf course?
I played in a golf tournament in Wisconsin State Amateur.
Okay.
So it's like a USGA event.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna run you through some fields.
What's that mean?
Field sobriety tests. Are you willing to take any field sobriety tests?
Call my lawyer, and then I'm going to go to film if that's okay.
I'm sorry?
Do you want me to, you want to take me through a field sobriety
Yes.
test
You're
right now?
denying to step out of the vehicle pending fields?
I'm just going to call my lawyer.
Okay. Step out of the vehicle.
I'm going to call him.
No. Step out of the vehicle.
I'm not allowed to.
Step out of the vehicle.
So you're going to take me through.
Field sobriety test.
I'm still allowed to call my lawyer, right?
You're not.
I'm not allowed
Nope.
to.
Step out of the vehicle. 24 to dispatch.
24.
I'll take an additional 1017.
I'm
He's
okay
not
doing
stepping
it,
out of
but
the vehicle for
I'll,
fields.
I'll do it. I'm just saying that I'm not allowed to call my lawyer first.
Any available squad can head to backward southbound to back up
Call
to
my
Fort
lawyer first.
17.
I'm not allowed to. I'm not
Two
You
five
are
one
pending an
location.
OWI with an investigation.
What does that mean?
543.
Operating while
Southbound to
intoxicated.
Okay, that's what I think I'm doing.
Yes.
Copy, so you know.
I want you to step out of the vehicle.
Copy. Yeah. 60, the subject is released to step out the field.
So you're saying that because you think I can't do that?
Alright, so you're going to step in front of my vehicle? Step in front of my
Mind if
vehicle?
I put this right here?
Step in front of my vehicle, yes.
18, put 14 back on this. He'll be cleared at C20 shortly.
24 squad, please slow it down. He's out of the vehicle. I'll be conveying him to the Sally Port
I'm
for
fine.
fields.
I'm fine. It's fine.
Turn around for me.
Additional squad
I
to
think
copy.
there's a good chance that
Patting you down for weapons, okay?
258,
No
copy on
weapons on
here
you?
at the agent.
Okay, alright. You're detained pending an OWI
What was your
investigation. Deputy Core, sir.
are you going to take me through
1
the...
5 off
I thought you were taking me
Fort
through it.
dispatch.
So, as of right now, we're on a leveled ground. We're on a bridge. I want to convey you somewhere that's going to be an even surface, free of debris.
Yes, I agree, so we don't get hit.
Turn around for me.
I get you. We need the cars.
Yep.
I just want to make sure it doesn't too far have a PVT.
24, that's a negative.
I can see you. You can put me off in the jail. I have one.
I'll grab grab your phone for you, okay?
45, I'm already at the jail. Do you need any help?
What
All
about,
right. So,
what about the keys and everything?
okay, hang on.
Nope, my bad.
45, you can stay at the jail, and 25, you can go back.
I will grab the keys. Your phone, I will grab as well.
Copy.
Okay?
Easy.
You're detained pending an
45 on,
OWI
baby.
investigation. I patted you down for any weapons.
Okay,
I would normally seat you on the passenger side. Due to it being so close to the concrete barrier, we're going to go into traffic very carefully in the
Seriously?
distress.
Why
Yep.
not, why not this way?
Because you're not able to fit, sir. There's no... So we're going to
I'm
walk
kinda
in the
big,
distress. We're going to go in the distress.
Can we grab the phone first?
I will, sir.
And
I
the
only have
keys?
2 hands.
I'm northbound at Howard to do more of a car to sit on that vehicle.
Have a seat.
Hey, 4 on copy. Are you going to sit with the vehicle?
You in all the way?
What's that?
You in all the way?
I'm in, yes. Uncomfortably, but yes.
I know you're a taller fellow.
Yeah. It's a little bit.
45, that's still.
Yeah.
9 copy.
Outside? So you have a little more room?
Yes. Can you take the gloves off for a sec, please? Just for the
I
back.
sure can. Coming
for
out.
my back. Is that possible?
Well, sir, I'm going to have you step out completely.
I'm trying. I'm sorry. Just the bad back. Ugh.
What's your location?
Let me know if you need a hand.
Yep. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. Is it possible to take it off just so I can?
Yep. Okay, you can take your hand out. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright.
That was nice. Thank you.
No worries. All right, sir. So, based on your driving,
Yeah.
where you were coming from, you said the golf course, correct?
Yeah. I told
Okay.
you. I was at the golf course. I played in the WSJ event.
The red glassy eyes, and then the odor of an intoxicating alcoholic beverage from your breath.
From all the guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then when my partner brought the backpack that you wanted, we basically do not an inventory, but I make sure that
You
there's
guys
no
check the
guns
whole
in there.
thing? Yeah.
Exactly.
So you guys checked.
And there were
Yeah.
a few shooters in there that I observed.
Yeah. Any of them drink?
Okay.
I
So,
don't think any of them were drink, right?
okay. So based off of that, I'm going to run you through some fields,
Yeah.
SFSTs.
Let's do it. I'm
Right.
good.
Okay. Make a couple passes here, okay?
Okay. So I'm following this as you move it. That's what you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got it. Am I supposed to move my head or am I supposed to keep it square?
Would you like the instructions one more time, sir?
I think I got you.
Okay.
I'm trying to do it right. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Got to keep your head still, please.
Well, that's what I was asking. Okay.
Okay. So eyes and eyes
just
only.
the eyes
Yep.
move only. That's what I was asking. I got you.
After failing the field sobriety tests, Tony Romo was placed under arrest for operating while impaired. During the encounter, Romo repeatedly argued with the officer, insisting on calling his attorney before being processed. Despite his protests, officers followed standard protocol, secured him in custody, and transported him for booking. The release of the body cam footage quickly sparked widespread debate over how high-profile figures interact with law enforcement during routine traffic stops. What are your thoughts on how the officers handled the situation? Let us know in the comments below. For more intense body cam footage and real police encounters, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next case.